Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I like to share with you a couple of mini albums that I made. These are super quick mini albums anyone can make. If I can make it, you can make it too. So later in the week I will have a tutorial on how I made them and a little process video on how I decorated the cover. They are super easy to make. All you need are just A2 size cards, and that's how I made the mini album. It is very flat because it's supposed to go inside a holder, and I try to make it as flat as possible. Only the cover has some dimension. Also, I used the images from Polkadoodles. It is called the Ruby's Collection. Please check the description box for product links and for coupon codes. Alright, so now let me go ahead and show you what I made. So the first mini album I made was this one right here, and I think she is just gorgeous. Isn't she so pretty? I love all the flowers on her headband and on her dress, and she just has soft colors. So I added a cluster of flowers right here, and then behind there's just a die cut. The corrugated glittered heart is from Michael's, and then all of these trims are from my stash, and of course the really pretty one right here, the ruffled one, is from Hobby Lobby. So I just wrapped it around, and that's what the back looks like. And I really like how this looks right here. I got this idea from Esther. She makes junk journals, and I love how she has like different laces and trims sticking out. And I did that. I didn't do that to every page because I didn't want it to be bulky. So it's not bulky at all. I did it to every other page. So I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly what the inside looks like. So here's the first page. And all of these cutouts are from that same paper collection from Love Story by Prima. And then I added one Ruby girl. Again, no dimension, you guys. And then here is the next page. And then this one, like I said, I only did every other page, and I only decorated the ones on the right. Here is another trim, and then there's this one, and here's this one. She is just beautiful, you guys. Look at that. I added a die cut right there in the back. One more page, and then that's the back. So now the second mini album is done exactly the same way. It's just the front is just slightly different. Of course, I had to use a different girl. Look how beautiful that is. I really love this trim. So pretty. I added the 3 layers of trim. So, and then a cluster of flowers. And then I love the color of her dress. And the color of her dress does match the paper. You can see that it has a little bit on. A little bit of that color is in that paper. That's why I wanted to bring that color out. So, and that's the back, and that is it. So here is my project share. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the description box for product links and for coupon codes. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day. Bye everyone.